Well guys, it's Doug from Mustang Brothers, and we got Ben over here again. We're gonna try and do something stupid. We're gonna try and launch the car a little bit. We got it running again, see how it does. I lowered the tire pressure down a little bit. It's starting to sprinkle just a little, so we're gonna try and do a quick hit and see if it wants to go do anything. Just trying to get some of the dirt off the fucking concrete a little bit. But we'll put let Ben video it, and I'll go fire the car up and see if we can get it to do something. Yeah. Did it fucking pick up any a little bit?
A little bit.
Hard to tell. Fucking even at $2,000 it was trying to spin.
Really?
Yeah.
Still on.
Alright, well. We got a little play with still. Leaving some good patches though. Good footprint. Of course, this is on concrete too, so it don't really grab super good.